Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some fluffy slime. So I just went shopping and I got this cute basket to hold all my slime stuff in. But I'm just going to kind of keep this like this for now. I got some glitter glues, pink and blue, this, some containers. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing first, I'm just going to grab a container and a lid. And next, I'm just going to take a glue bottle. It's already used. I'm just going to pour some glue in there. I was going to get a gallon of like glue, but I already spent like $30, so I just decided not to. I know, and I didn't just get like slime stuff. It's kind of already over budget because I was only planning to spend $20. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this one. There we go. So now I'm just gonna have some shaving cream, my new shaving cream. And I've never had this shaving cream before, so I can't wait to try it. So fluffy. So now I'm just gonna get my mixing stick. I'm just gonna start mixing. It smells really, really good. So, this is super fluffy. And I think I'm just gonna make a cloud cream. So I'm not even gonna lotion. So I'm just gonna add some cornstarch to make it thicker. Stick in there. Okay, that's good. And now I'm just gonna mix it. Just to make it a little bit thicker. Yeah, I'm already making a mess. So now I'm just gonna add some contact solution. And a pinch of baking soda. I'm just gonna keep mixing. I'm sorry if you can hear all that noise. I'm just gonna get a little bit more baking soda. I don't know why this is taking so much to activate. I might just have to use my wax activator. This is some slime activator from a slime kit. So I'm gonna put a couple drops of that. I think it's worth anyway. I'm just gonna take that out of the cup or container. I'm just gonna get in dirt. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this and add a little bit of it on my hand. Oh god. Oh, this is super fluffy. I love it. Look at this. cereal milk, I guess you could call it. So this, I'm pretty sure this is not gonna stay white because like I feel like every time I play this, like every time I make white time, it always turns like greenish after a while. After I start playing with it. But I really like this shaving cream. I feel like it's much better than this one. Like it's much more fluffier, and it really does like make it fluffy just with a little bit of shaving cream. I'm thinking I should start using this one now, but I only got one of these because this one actually cost like more money. It was like this thing of them for like $2.79, and this one was like two something but less cents. So it's just a cent difference. It's not like it's $1 of a difference. So but yeah, I just like I think I'm gonna start getting that one more because it's only a cent difference. So yeah. So yeah, this is a really good slime. Thank you guys for watching. Love my slime. It's super stretchy. This is actually one of my successful slimes because I just made a slime and it just didn't work. My slime just haven't been working, so I'm actually proud of myself. Oh yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment on this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.